square root of a square plus b square, the square root of real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square. Clear? Yes, then what do you mean by z bar? A minus ib. Some more problems also we discussed as the complex number of conjugate complex number and modulus of a complex number. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay, the fifth problem, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number. So z is equal to root 2 plus root 3i. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ z is equal to root 2 plus root 3i. So what do you mean by multiplicative inverse of the complex number? If z is equal to complex number, therefore z inverse is z bar divided by modulus of z is the form of the multiplicative inverse of the complex number. First of all, to find the conjugate of the complex number z inverse, as the z bar is equal to root 2 minus root 3i. Therefore, and the modulus of z is equal to square root of the real part whole square. What is the real part? Root 2 whole square plus root 3 minus yakappa only for mod of z, not of mod of z bar. So square root of root 2 whole square is 2 plus root 3 whole square is 3. Finally, as the mod of the modulus of z is root 5. So therefore, the multiplicative inverse, as the z inverse is equal to z bar is root 2 minus root 3i. So root 2 minus root 3i divided by the modulus of z is root 5. Therefore, finally, as the z inverse, the multiplicative inverse, root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 into I. So this is the a plus ib form. As the complex number z is equal to root 2 plus root 3i, then the multiplicative inverse is root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3 by root 5i. Clear? Yes, thank you. Yes, right on. Next. We're going to some more problems on the form of a plus ib. Workout bidri. Express the following complex number. Express the following complex number in a plus ib form. A plus ib form. Express the following complex numbers in a plus ib form. Some more forms. So as the first one, important problems. So ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಇವೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Express in the following forms of the a plus ib form. The first problem, I raised to minus 37. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Okay. I raised to minus 37. Next, second problem. So I minus 4 whole raised to 4. Next, third one. So root 2 minus root 3i divided by root 2 plus root 3i. Next, so fourth problem. So I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19. So these all the problems is convert into a plus ib form. Nodri one by one nodkotorri. So these are the important problems. You important too, but you nanna a plus ib form nolu nim kadime helidde problems. So adike innond ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. So a plus ib as the complex number, this the form of for complex number is convert into a plus ib form. The first one, so if z is equal to I raised to minus 37, Z is equal to I raised to minus 37. I raised to minus 37 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is the multiplicative inverse. This is the inverse. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? 1 divided by I raised to 37 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? So I raised to minus 37 is form of 1 by I raised to 37. Next, so as Z is equal to 1 divided by I raised to 37 can be written as I raised to 36 into I. Already ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ the identity of I, the values of identity I ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. If I raised to odd and I raised to even ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So it's I raised to odd ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I raised to even into I ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So I raised to 36 into I. Next, so Z is equal to 1 divided by, you know the value only for I square. So I square raised to 18 ಅಲ್ಲ? I square raised to 18 into I. So next, so Z is equal to 1 divided by, what is the value of I square? Minus 1 raised to 18 into I. Minus 1 raised to 18 into I. Next, so Z is equal to 1 divided by, what is the value of minus 1 raised to 18? 1. It is a 1. So 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by I ಆಯ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಇದು a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತಾ? ನೋ, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 by I raised to minus 37 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 1 by I ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದ rationalize the denominator. rationalize the denominator. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ? 0 plus I ಐತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 0 plus I. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ out of both sides of minus I ಅಲ್ಲ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ both sides of minus I. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Z is equal to minus I divided by I into I is minus I square. So ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Does I raised to minus 37 is converted into a plus ib form. First of all, the I raised to minus 37 is the multiplicative inverse, is the 1 divided by I raised to 37. So 1 by I raised to 37 is can be written as 1 by I raised to 36 into I. So then I raised to 36, you know the value of only for I square, the I square raised to 18 into I. So what is the value of I square? Is the minus 1 raised to 18 into I. So minus 1 raised to 18 is plus 1. 1 into I is I. So 1 by I bantu value. Then the rationalize the denominator, multiplies both sides of minus I of numerator and denominator. Therefore Z is equal to 1 into minus I is minus I into minus I is minus I square. Therefore Z is equal to minus I divided by minus into bracket of minus 1. Because of the value of I square is minus 1. So minus of minus 1. What is the value of I minus of minus 1? Plus 1. However, what is the value of Z? Only for I ala? Minus I batta. It is a 1. Minus I by 1 is minus I. A plus IB form bantu. But therefore this is form can be written as 0 minus I. The real part is 0, imaginary part is minus 1. ತಿಳಿತನ್ರಿ? ಹಲೋ, ಎಸ್, ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. So all the form is converted into a plus ib form ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes. Next ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, second problem. So second one, I minus 4 whole raised to 4. As the problem is converted into a plus ib, suppose ನೀನು some identities values of a complex number ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ z1 minus z2 whole square, z1 minus z2 whole cube. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ? whole raised to 4 ಐತಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ whole raised to 4 ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು? as z is equal to, this form can be written as z raised to 4 whole square ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? z is equal to I minus 4 whole square raised to square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆತತ್ರಿ? ಹಲೋ, yes, as the I minus 4 whole raised to 4 yes, clear ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. the I minus 4 whole raised to 4 as the problem is convert into a plus ib form. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, y minus 4 whole raised to 4. ಬಟ್ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. a minus b whole raised to 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, as this problem I minus 4 whole square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ same as the degree become the multiplier. 2 into 2 is become 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ I minus 4 raised to 4 ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ. But you know the value of I minus 4 whole square. I minus 4 whole square ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ I minus 4 whole square? a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ I square, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 square a square plus b square minus 2 into 4 into r. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಎಸ್, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, so I minus 4 whole square I minus 4 whole square can be written as I square plus 4 square minus 2 into 4 into I, again the whole term of square. So z is equal to, what is the value of I square? Minus 1 plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 4 into I is 8I whole square. Therefore z is equal to minus 1 plus 16 is 15 minus 8I whole square. Clear? So again ಮತ್ತೆ a plus ib form ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. So again convert into as the apply the a minus b whole square formula. Z is equal to a minus b whole square formula apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Again 15 square plus 8I whole square, अर्थात a square plus b square minus 2 into 15 into 8I, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore what is the value of 15 whole square? So z is equal to 15 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 225 plus 225 plus 8I whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 64I square minus or minus 2 into 15 30 into 18 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 2 into 15 30 into 8 30 into 8 540 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 540I. 2 into 15 is 30 into 8 is 540I. Therefore z is equal to 225 as 64I. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 64I square can be written as minus 64 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. The value of I square is minus 1. So 64 into minus 1 is minus 64 minus 540I. ಯಾವುದು? Okay, 2 into 15 30 into 8 is 240. Okay, 240 540 ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ 240I. Therefore z is equal to 225 minus 64 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 225 minus 64 161 minus 240I. अगर a plus ib फॉर्म बनता 161 minus 240I. The real part is 161 and imaginary part is minus 240. Clear? Yes. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. Yes, next third problem is the important, very important problem, third one. Yes. So root 2 minus root 3i divided by root 2 plus root 3i. Root 2 minus root 3i divided by root 2 plus root 3i. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ rationalize the denominator. Okay, rationalize the denominator ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ multiply of numerator and denominator. What is the term? Root 2 minus root 3i divided by root 2 minus root 3i. The multiply of numerator and denominator of root 2 minus root 3i. Therefore, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, root 2 minus root 3i, ಇಲ್ಲಿ root 2 minus root 3i ಅಂದ್ರ as the numerator root 2 minus root 3i whole square. Okay, divided by, so this is a plus b into a minus b is the a square minus b square. Correct ಐತಿ? Okay, then the numerator apply a minus b whole square form apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. numerator ಒಳಗೆ a minus b whole square form apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ so a square root 2 whole square plus root 3i whole square minus 2 into root 2 into root 3 into I. A square plus b square minus 2ab divided by, again root 2 whole square is just for 2, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, root 3i whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3, then I square become minus 1, minus of minus plus. Direct one step direct ಬರ್ದಿ ನೋಡಿ. Therefore root 2 whole square plus root 3i whole square minus 2 into root 2 into root 3 into I whole divided by 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3. So therefore, okay. So then the next step, therefore root 2 whole square is 2, the numerator root 2 whole square 2 plus again root 3 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 3, again I square ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1, so plus or minus minus. Next to minus 2 into root 2 into root 3 can be written as ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾನು? root 2 into root 3 root 6 ಅಲ್ಲ? hello, therefore root 2 into root 3 is root 6, 2 into root 6, 2 into root 6 into I whole divided by 5. Next, so 2 minus 3 is minus 1 minus 2 root 6i whole divided by 5. Okay. Yes. So therefore, so this term can be written as a form of minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by root 6 by 5 into I. A plus ib form. Okay. The real part is minus 1 by 5 and imaginary part is minus 2 by root 6 by 5. Clear? Okay. Okay. Third problem is yes. Next, fourth one. So fourth problem, I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19, z is equal to I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19. This form is converted into a plus ib form. Look at here. So z is equal to, ಬದಲಿಗೆ I raised to 9, it is the I raised to odd number ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ? I raised to 8 into I plus I raised to 19 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I raised to 18 into I. Therefore simple ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19, I raised to 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I raised to 8 into I plus I raised to 19 is I raised to 18 into I. Then I raised to 8 can be written as I square whole raised to 4 into I plus I raised to 18 is I square raised to 9 into I. So therefore z is equal to, what is the value of I square? Minus 1 raised to 4 into I. So minus 1 raised to 9 into I. Therefore z is equal to, what is the value of minus 1 raised to 4? 1 into I. Next, what is the value of minus 1 raised to 9? Minus 1 into I. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು z is equal to I minus I. अगर z equal to ಎಷ್ಟು 0 is the a plus ib form. 0 is the a plus ib form. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ಲೋ? Hello. Yes, it is also a plus ib form because of 0 plus I into 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. The real part and imaginary parts are 0. Okay. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19 convert into a plus ib form. So I repeat again, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. I raised to 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I raised to 8 into I plus I raised to 19 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I raised to 18 into I. So I raised to 8 is nothing but I square whole raised to 4 into I plus I raised to 18 is I square whole raised to 9 into I. That is the value of I square minus 1 raised to 4 into I plus minus 1 raised to 9 into I. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into I. Minus 1 raised to 9 is minus 1 into I. As of 1 into I is I minus I becomes 0. 0 is also, it is a plus ib form. The whole real and imaginary parts are 0. Yes, ಹೇಳಿಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿತು? ಎಸ್, ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೇ. ಸೇಮ್, ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೇ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು a plus ib. a plus ib. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್, ತಿಳಿತಿಷ್ಟ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು 5 minutes ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಏನಾರ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಜಲ್ದಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ನೋ? अगर नेक्स्ट ಹೋಗೋಣ. Yes, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. the last part of the complex number. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೊಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. representation of a polar form. Representation of a polar form in complex number. Representation of a polar form in a complex number. This is very, very important. The important concept, representation of a polar form in a complex number. ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. representation of a polar form in a ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಇದೊಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇಫ್ z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number ಆದ್ರ, ಹಲೋ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number, then what do you mean by modulus of z is modulus of z ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Square root of, what is the modulus of z?
Square root of x square plus y square.
Yes, very good. Square root of x square plus y square la. Then what do you mean by modulus of z? Sorry, conjugate of z?
X minus y.
X minus iy ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದೇನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಾಗ ನೆನಪೈತಿ? 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಾಗ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ?